Hi, it's another unboxing video and I have got September's edition of FEELUNIQUE Pick and Mix sample service, and this is how it arrives. And I'll just open it up and show you. Samples are inside here, it's in like a little envelope, and I'll get one out and show you them all individually in a little while. But if you're new to Pick and Mix, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. Pick and Mix isn't a subscription, it's a service that you can go online. If you fancy up to 5 samples, then you can buy them. You can only do it once a month, but there's no signing up, there's no, regular monthly thing as such. It's just if you want the samples, you can get them. If you want to leave it for a couple of months, then so be it, it's up to you. Now you can choose up to 5. There's a list of around, I'd say, 5 different pages, so a couple of 100 different items, all different sizes, all different categories, so you can specifically choose what to look for if you want to on this drop down menu. So the cost is £3.95 and that includes your postage and packaging. Now you do get a voucher after you receive your items for £3.95 to be used off a future purchase off FEELUNIQUE website. Not on samples, but on bigger products. So everything that is in the sample service, you can buy bigger versions on the FEELUNIQUE website. So it's a really great way of trying before you buy in. I love it. I do it every single month. Some months are better than others, but yeah, you have to really look out and look regularly as well. And yeah, so that's what I've done. So inside my box, I've got 5 mainly makeup items this time, but I'll start off with something that is not makeup. And it is a fantastic size, 40ml sample size of Philip Kingsley, and it's elasticizer, so it's an intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types, adds elasticity, manageability, bounce and shine. So that's what it looks like there. I've recently had one of these in my September Look Fantastic box, and it shocked me actually because I only just picked this up from the FEELUNIQUE website, and I was thinking, you can get 5 samples for £3.95, including these, and it's in your Look Fantastic box where you get 6 products for £15. But then after totting everything up, the box did come to like £65, so it is really good value for money. But it just shocked me, it threw me a bit, so if you've seen that video you'll see what I mean. But no, I am really happy to try it. It's got good reviews. I think it's about £20 a full size, I can't remember now. So it's a really, really good sample to try. Yeah, 40ml, so I'm chuffed with that. And the next item is a Laura Mercier, and this is the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. So that looks like there, beautiful lady. And inside you can see pictures of the foundations, but also they've given me a few choices. They've also given me a primer as well. It says the all wear, all coverage without the weight, 15-hour wear, medium to full coverage, weightless matte finish, oil free and transfer resistant. And it says apply foundation primer, oil free before Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation to create the perfect canvas for makeup. So I didn't even know that we'd have the primer in this as well, but it's only a tiny little sample, but it's a really good way to try before you buy, because these foundations, they do cost quite a bit of cash, so you don't want to be forking out on something that you're not going to wear or you don't like. So no, so I thought I'd give that a go. Then is Givenchy, and this is Le Rouge Liquid, and this is not what you think it says on the front there. So this is a lipstick, but it's in like a blister pack. So these are all the shades of the new lipsticks that Givenchy have released, and we've got these colours, and they're gorgeous colours, really, really lovely. It says here that it's velvet finish, blurring and hydrating. Ah, okay. Doesn't give you much information. Those reds, they're beautiful, so I thought I'd give that a go as well. Then I went for an Urban Decay lipstick, and I'm so chuffed to this because it's an actual, well, it's not a full size, but it's an actual good size product. So this is Urban Decay, and I can't remember what it's called. It's a High Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Ooh. And this is what it looks like. I'll just pop it out there. Look! It's a really nice size, really, really nice size, so chuffed with that. I'll show you in more detail now, but those are all the colours there, and it circles the one that I've got, so quite a big colour range. This is the holy grail of glosses. Our ultra shiny formula glides on cushionly soft and provides long lasting wear that's comfortable, not tacky, laced with vitamin E and peppermint oil. Our hydrating formula nourishes, has a plumping effect and comes in a yummy vanilla mint flavour. Oh my gosh, it sounds gorgeous. So there's quite a few colours there, quite a few, so look at this, it's bad, isn't it? It's a really nice try. A really, really nice sample. I'll give it a go. Oh, it's nice. Oh, it feels really nice. You can taste the peppermint. Yeah, it is really nice. I like that. So no, chuffed to have that. So the last item is another foundation, but I got it for my daughter. So it's a little bit on the heavier side for her, but I want to teach her that you can apply foundation just in little spots. It doesn't have to go all over your face. It can just be in little areas, and as long as they're buffed out well, then it'll look fine. So I saw this, she's got quite a lot of acne on her nose, or she's starting to get quite a lot of acne on her nose, and she is a little bit self-conscious of it, and nothing seems to stay put. So I have tried this. It's the Urban Decay All Nighter. I don't like it for my skin personally. I find it a little bit too heavy. It's got long staying power. It has definitely got, you know, great coverage and all that, but I think I haven't got the skin that suits it well. It's very similar to Estee Lauder Double Wear. I love the Double Wear Light, but the Double Wear just makes my lines stand out more, which I don't like. I don't want to go near there. So I got this for her really. I thought having maybe the two, because she's very pale, just seeing what it's like, just dotting it and buffing it out and blending, it might help. It might, you know, last longer than the concealers that she's currently wearing. So that's what I got for her anyway. So it shows you on the back all the different shades that you can get, which is quite a lot. So yeah, it doesn't really say much really about it. Full coverage, long wear, matte finish, waterproof and oil free. So those are my 5 items. I'll just gather them up. Can't wait to try this elasticizer, and the actual lip gloss here is gorgeous. I can feel it tingling on my lips. I love the colour. Can't wait to try these lipsticks. And there's Laura Mercier foundation as well, and yeah, I'm sure we can have a play around with that foundation with my daughter. But yeah, so those are my items. Pretty chuffed. £3.99 bargain. So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, it'd be lovely to give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So I'll speak to you soon guys. Take care. Bye bye.